Today we will read another story about Bob, Dom, Dad, Pop, and Sal. Bob and his pal Dom are in the park with Dad. Dad has a big map. What will the characters do next? Later we will use the new words and skills we learned to read about what these characters do. First, let's play Raise the Roof. Put your hands up like you're pushing on the ceiling, like you're trying to raise the roof off of the house. Okay, we're going to raise our hands up every time we spell a word. We're going to raise our hands up one time for each letter. Okay, so let's practice with the word hour. Look at the word hour. Okay, we're going to raise the roof while we spell the word hour out loud. Ready? O-U-R. What's the word? Hour. Good. All right, so now we're going to look at the word do. Raise the roof by pushing your hands upward toward the ceiling for each letter in do. Ready? D-O. What's the word? Do. Okay, the next word is live. Raise the roof. L-I-V-E. What's the word? Live. Next word is of. Raise the roof. O-F. The next word is wants. Raise the roof. W-A-N-T-S. What's the word? Wants. The next word is what. Raise the roof. W-H-A-T. What's the word? What. Number 7. With. Raise the roof. W-I-T-H. And the last word is your. Raise the roof. Y-O-U-R. What's the word? Your. Outstanding. Now let's play with the sounds in words. Remember that you learned you can blend sounds to say words? I'm going to say the sounds in a word, and you will blend them. Look at the tiles on the screen. Each tile represents one sound in a word. Listen as I do the first one. These are the sounds. S, A, F. When I blend S, A, F, I say the word safe. Now it's your turn. Listen to the sounds, then blend the sounds and say the word. Ah. What's the word? Hop. Yes. When you blend ah, you say hop. Let's do some more. Blend the sounds and say the words. Ready? B-I-T. W-I-Z. J-A-G. Okay, let's blend some more sounds to say words. Remember that each tile on the screen stands for one sound in the word. Ready? I. M-E. D-oo. Good job. Now let's review some letters and their sounds. Remember that octopus begins with the sound aw, and the letter O stands for that sound. Listen. Aw, octopus, O. Say that with me. Aw, octopus, O. Remember that lion begins with the ul, and the letter L stands for that sound. Listen. Ul, lion, L. Say that with me. Ul, lion, L. Remember that horse begins with the sound h, and the letter H stands for that sound. Listen. Horse, H. Say that with me. Horse, H. Now let's work with some vowels we have learned. Remember that alligator begins with the short A sound, a. The letter A can stand for the sound a at the beginning or in the middle of a word. Look at the word pal. Say it with me. Pal. The letter P is a consonant, the letter A is a vowel and can stand for many sounds, and L is a consonant. When there is only one vowel and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for the short vowel sound. Remember that igloo begins with the short I vowel sound I. The letter I can stand for the sound I at the beginning or in the middle of a word. Look at the word his. Say it with me. His. The letter H is a consonant. The letter I is a vowel and can stand for many sounds. And S is a consonant. When there is only one vowel and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for the short vowel sound. Ready to blend some words? Let's go. We are going to blend the letters in line 1 to read a word. The first letter is H. Now let's slide over the next letter in line 2. Let's blend the two sounds. Ah, ha. Now let's blend all the letters together. Ha, p. Read it with me. Hop. Now we are ready to read about Bob, Dom, Dad, Pop, and Sal in a story called A Map. Then you are going to read about Bob and his family in a story called Dot is on It. But first I need you to pause the video and go get your journals. We are going to practice spelling some words. I will say a word and a sentence that uses that word. Listen carefully and use your best handwriting to write the word I say. Ready? Log. Mom put a log on the fire. Log. Number 2, not. Stop at the sign and do not go. Not. Number 3, top. Put a cherry on top of the cake. Top. Number 4, hot. The stove is hot. Hot. Remember, you can pause the video anytime if I'm going too fast. Number 5, hop. A rabbit can hop away. Hop. Number 6, on. I stood on a ladder. On. Number 7, big. An elephant is very big. Big. Number 8 is sit. Please sit in the chair. Sit. Number 9 is pig. A pig is a farm animal. Pig. Number 10 is dig. Use a shovel to dig a hole. Dig. Number 11 is shop. We bought milk in the shop. Shop. Number 12 is block. He built a block tower. Block. Okay, now you need to correct any words you misspelled. Take a picture of your words and turn it into your Google Classroom to your teacher.